Chula Sukmanop, Secretary General of Thailand's East Economy Corridor Policy Committee, said that the increase in Chinese investment, highlighted by electric vehicle industries, has helped boost Thailand's economy and green development in recent years. Chula added that as the major vehicle production and export base in Southeast Asia, Thailand has attracted growing numbers of Chinese electric vehicle manufacturers over the years, echoing Thai government's incentives on EV industry.
So I think I can expect a big export number of EV car from Thailand, especially from Chinese manufacturer. When you're talking about EV, not just car manufacturing, talking about the whole supply chain for making cars. So you bring a lot of like a battery manufacturing in here too. Apart from that, I can mention that now you don't come just only for the investment. You come with the training of Thai people too. Let's say many factory coming in because EV is a new thing for Thais.
According to the Automobile Society of Thailand, Chinese brands accounted for approximately 90% of Thailand's EV market in 2021. Chinese EV makers like MG and Great Wall have set their factories in the EEC. China's biggest EV manufacturer BYD and EV startup Neta Auto are also setting foot in Thailand. The Thai government wants electric vehicle production to reach about 30% of the total auto manufacturing by 2030. From 2018 to the first quarter of this year, investment from China had accounted for more than 10% of foreign investment of the EEC.
China has played a vital part of the economic growth in Thailand, not just only the industry, not about only investment in the country, FDI, but also with the economic impact from the tourism industry in Thailand from China. It's very, very strong. So I think that this is a strong Thai, not just only the investment, but also people-to-people movement. So I think with this, we expect a lot of like a recovery. I think because we had some drop of activities during COVID, but now I think it's going to be recover very soon.